Hey guys, I've got an easy to make party backdrop tutorial for you. This was a cheap and fun way to bring a big pop of color for taking pictures in front of. The first thing you need is just a blank wall, so I started clearing out our shiplap room to create a big white space. So here's what you need to complete your project. You need some thumbtacks and some kind of netting. I ordered a trellis net off Amazon. I collected 6 different colors of streamers. You can find them in 500-foot rolls, and if you buy that size, 1 roll of each color will be plenty. Get your stapler and your scissors and you're ready to go. Start spreading your netting out and laying it flat, and then you can use your push pins to place it on the wall. Now use your scissors to trim off the ends so that you have a nice clean edge. And let the fun part begin. Start unraveling your crepe paper rolls and kind of loosely gather them in your hand. I did about 5 to 6 different layers. Snip off the end and start to spread out where they're gathered, and then you're going to use your stapler to adhere them to the netting by folding it gently over one of the strings and then stapling it in place. Then I used my scissors to cut the loops on the bottom so that it would lay flat and look a little bit neater. Keep in mind, it does not have to be perfect. The ends can be all different lengths and it'll still look awesome. So keeping that in mind, I did some of my streamers on the same line, and then for some I would go a little up, like up a square or down a square, and for certain colors I would go 2 squares wide, and for others I would only go 1 square wide. So you're just trying to keep people from being able to see an exact pattern right when they look at it. So here's a more close-up look at what I was doing with my hands. I'm basically just spreading it out a little bit so that more of the streamer can be seen, folding it over the string, and then using my stapler to staple very close to the string so that it stays connected. Here it is, almost complete, missing a few spots, but really this was a super fast project. It probably took me about 2-3 hours to make, and I think anyone could do it. Please leave a thumbs up below if you liked this video, and leave a comment if you tried this. I'd love to hear how it went for you. You can subscribe to my channel for more DIY tutorials.